Hi, this is Antosh Dade. In this video, I will demonstrate downloading and installing the Snowflake ODBC driver on the Windows platform and create a connection using installed Snowflake ODBC driver in IICS Informatica Intelligent Cloud Service. And in the next video, I will demonstrate the mapping using the Snowflake ODBC connection created in this video. So here the requirement is we have to download the platform dependent Snowflake ODBC driver by visiting the website https://developers.snowflake.com/odbc. After downloading, we have to install the downloaded drivers in our operating system. Here I am demonstrating on Windows platform with 64-bit driver, and after installation we have to create a system DSN in ODBC data source. With that created ODBC data connection, ODBC data source, we have to create a connection in IICS with requested Snowflake values. So first we will visit this website snowflake.odbc developer.snowflake.com/odbc, and go to this Windows version. Select in my case I am downloading 64-bit this ODBC driver, Snowflake 64-bit ODBC driver. While creating this video, the version is 2.25.7, so it is downloaded. Just click on this downloaded driver installed on your machine. It will take few seconds to complete the installation. It will ask the approval. Just press yes. Just click the finish. Now the next step is we have to create a DSN for this installed ODBC driver. Go to ODBC data source 64-bit. Here in my case I have downloaded 64-bit Snowflake ODBC driver, so I will go to this ODBC data source 64-bit. Here just check whether your driver is available or not. Just go to the driver menu, just check this Snowflake is already installed. The version is showing here. Just go to system DSN, add the Snowflake DSI, this driver, ODBC driver, then click finish. It will ask the relevant information about the Snowflake username and password. Just enter the name which you want to give to this ODBC driver. I will give Snowflake. I'll start with ODBC Snowflake ODBC driver, and then whatever username you have created for this cloud, Snowflake cloud, that username. Here in my case the username is my name. I'll just go to this, just go to username is Dosh, and I have the password, whichever password you are using to log in that cloud. And here in the server you have to go to this your cloud, Snowflake cloud. Go to this down there, you just click on this account identifier, just copy this, go to this server option and paste it. Not this, actually not this, this link, this one, copy account URL and go to server and paste this. Just delete this HTTPS and double slash, and here in my case the database is IICS DB and schema is IICS SC. Here I can show warehouse, okay, and warehouse is, I have created IICS warehouse, and this my role is, here I can see the my role account admin, user and role. Here this I'm using this Santosh account, the account admin, role is account admin. Just copy and just copy this role and paste over there. Remaining values are optional. Just click test connection. So this test is successful. Just press OK and OK. Now your Snowflake ODBC driver is created. Just OK. Now we are successfully created the ODBC Snowflake ODBC DSN in our system. Now go to this Informatica IICS Informatica Intelligent Cloud Service. Here I want to create the connection for that Snowflake. Go to this administrator menu, then go to this connection. Here click new connection. Give the connection name as I will use Snowflake ODBC connection. I'll give Snowflake ODBC connection. I'll give already one connection I have created. I will give two, and here I'll select ODBC. Whatever name you want to give, you can give over here. And here I will select runtime environment as this secure agent. I'll use username same Antosh and password to log in that cloud, and data source name, whatever name I have given over DSN name, that name I have to give. Like here in this case ODBC 64, here I have given a Snowflake ODBC driver, so the same Snowflake ODBC driver, and schema is IICS SC, whatever schema I have created in Snowflake IICS SC. Code place I will select Qt 8, and here I will select Snowflake. Now just test the connection. Yeah, the connection is successful. Now in the next video I will demonstrate the mapping using this ODBC connection created in this video. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day.